Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the Keynote file. Open a plane. TXT and list each Keynote as a code followed by a tab and the description. Once done, save it in a consistent folder so Revit can find it. Make sure the file name and path are simple. Now open your Revit project, go to Manage, then Settings, then Keynote table, and point Revit to that file. This links the external Keynote list to your project so you can add tags quickly. Now assign codes directly to elements. Select an object, open its properties, find the Keynote parameter, and type the code exactly as in the text file. After assigning, use the Keynote tag tool to place tags onto elements. Pick the correct tag type for plans or sections. As you tag, adjust leader style and position. If many items need the same Keynote, use multi-select and set the parameter once, which speeds the process and keeps your annotations consistent across views. To finish, update any changes by reloading the Keynote file in the Keynote table so tags refresh across the model. If you see tags read "not found" or show incorrect text, check for typos, ensure each line uses a single tab separator, and confirm Revit's file path matches the saved file. Finally, place a Keynote legend to review all Keynotes at once. It helps catch mismatches. If problems persist, close and reopen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.